Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I want to try something different. I'm always doing that. I have this notebook or jacket. I'm not sure which it's called, notebook or jacket, from Mystic's Little Gifts. I don't remember the name of this leather. I will put it in the description box below. I'll have to look it up. But I want to get some use of my B6 Stalogy. I did use it a few days in September, well, in August and September, but I haven't really used it since, and I kind of just used it to jot down lists on, or things that needed to be done, or things I didn't want to forget on those days. So I kind of want to continue to use it that way, but I also want to decorate it a little bit. Now, I have been somewhat hesitant about decorating on paper like this. It's really kind of thin, and as you can see, it shadows with, I don't know what pen I was using, but I mean, I think it was a Precise V5. I think that's what it was. Anyway, that's usually what I'm using, or either a tool pen. So, but it shadows, and I don't like that either, but I'm going to try and work around it. So I'm just going to skip all of those first pages, and we're going to start fresh with Monday here. I've pulled out some things. I had this box of thin washies, things that I picked up when I first started planning, not really knowing what kind of washi I liked. And some of it has been given to me, and I just put all of these skinny washies, I guess, I don't know if this is skinny or thin, whatever it is. I put it all in this little storage container. And so I decided I would be using a lot of that in this so that I can divide my sections. My mind doesn't think separate for work and home. I kind of juggle back and forth between the two because I do work at home, so there's nothing, it's not separate, it's like always in my mind. Anywho, so I pulled out these washies. These all came out of this box, and then I had this stored with my other washi, but I thought I might need it even though it's kind of a, even though it's kind of a thicker width. And then this is a sticker kit that I have been hoarding. This is from Simply Me Kish. It's just a mini kit. I think it was what it was called at the time. I don't know. But I want to use this. And then when I was going through this box, I found this washi tape. So I just took it out. It's a sample card that I ordered I don't know how long ago, but maybe I can get some use out of that. And then what else? Okay. Then I have the Happy Memory Keeping book that has some Halloween stuff in here. There we go. Just a few pages. So I may be able to use some of that throughout. I won't be doing a whole lot of decorating. And then I have this that I used on my blackout spread. This is the teacher book, and it just has this little bit of Halloween stuff. And then we have Wrong, which I'll probably be using one specific sticker in here for sure, which is this Halloween is Here. I think that goes really nicely with that Boo 31 Trick or Treat sticker. So those two are going to go together. Okay, so now I showed you almost everything. And I'm going to print my day of the week files that I had hand lettered for me out with my phomemo and use them as stickers to label my pages, because I can read what this says, but I want to be able to just glance at my page. I don't know if you can see that. I want to just be able to glance at my page and see what the day of the week is and what the date is right off the bat, instead of having to put my head down or, yeah, no. Okay, so first off, I have to print out my days of the week. Let's see if I can get that to work right. I've already downloaded them. Can you put more than one picture on here at a time? Yes, you can. No, you can't. I'm also expecting some new paper for this. I can't wait till it gets here. That's going to be great to do this with. I'm going to go thick. Perfect. So let's do the next one. I don't like that it wastes so much paper in between though. Oops, I don't want to print that again. I want to do the next one. I don't know why they didn't save in order in my gallery either, but it's okay. But this is how they're coming out. And print. So is that everything? I think it is. So that's all of my days of the week. I did not do numbers, but I think I will be adding some numbers to my phone that I can just print. I need to clean these scissors. Okay, hopefully cleaning them with a little alcohol helped. Let's trim these out. It still wants to stick. I gotta use these because I can do it in one swipe. Now, I gotta decide where I want to put these. I think I'm going to be washi taping out the little chart that's at the top, or either I'll just leave it and I'm going to start on that first line with the days of the week. And I'm going to flip this around, and this is not the same color as the paper, which is why I'm excited for my new rolls for the phomemo, because you'll see. Hopefully they'll be here soon. So it's Monday. There's also little tiny numbers on the side here for their timed, and it's a timed notebook too. So it has the times on the side. See, it starts at 7 and ends at 21. So, but if I need to do the times, I have some washi tape, I think, that has the times on it. I hope this paper is forgiving as the paper I've used in other planners. If the daily planning works out for me, I will be looking for something that's dated, or I'll be making something, or I don't know. Now I don't know what kind of layout is going to work and how I'm going to do the journaling part. That may just be wishful thinking, but here we go. So I picked all of these colors to go with these, and I figured I could do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That'll be the it. That'll be the it. That'll be it for the Halloween season. I don't know. I'm going to use this for something. And then I already know that 8 of these blocks is the same width as a sticker. And I was going to alternate the washi that I use each day. Maybe I should have got a black one that's the same width as this. I thought I had gray, but I don't. So we're going to start with this color. Let's not make this too complicated. And I'm going to go over 8 blocks. 4, 8. I'm going to have to mark that because by the time I look at the washi tape and back at the paper, I don't know where I was at. Okay. Once I do this a few times, it'll probably get easier. See, this paper is so thin, I can see, I don't like seeing what's on the other page. Arg. So I don't know how to use these boxes. I guess I could have created myself a dashboard here. So I'm going to save this and do something on this page, I think, as a dashboard later. Let's see. Anything of note? I'm going to use a half box for Wednesday morning. Put it over here. And a half box Thursday morning. Oops. And then I'm going to put my Halloween sticker down. She's gonna have to be standing on something. Let's see if I can cut this without cutting through the paper. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this sheet is done. I can't believe I'm finally using these. Okay, let's do some checklists. There's more. This never ends. Oh my gosh. Well, wait, there's more. Ooh, just barely made it. So I've got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday decorated, but I'm just going to worry about up to Friday for now. Well, I got them blocked off, and hopefully the way I have things blocked off will work for me. And I think I'm going to stop here with the checklist and see how it goes for the week. I think I'm just going to pop this in here, keep it close at hand so that if I need any of those stickers, they'll be there. Okay, so I guess next I need to figure out what I'm going to use for dates and where I'm going to put them. Let's use the trusty old dates and holidays, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use these just to get rid of them. They don't really go with Halloween, but we're going to go with Halloween. If I have all the numbers. So we know this is the 31st. Try not to look at it too much and be disturbed by the fact that it doesn't match. Why am I jumping to 28? I need the 30th. Okay, let's put that over there. 29th, 28th. So it's not so bad. The colors kind of coordinate a little bit for that part. Except for, well, the yellow kind of goes with the eyeshadow. It's just that reddish color doesn't go, but can't have everything. Hopefully this layout will work out for me this week. That's all I'm going to do to this right now. Oops, went back too far. I hope you enjoyed this quick little plan with me and me experimenting and trying something different. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!